Hey everyone, it's Dr. Sajid, and today we're diving deep into a condition that's impacting a growing number of people: fatty liver disease. In simple terms, it's when your liver, which is like your body's master filter, starts storing too much fat. This can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even more serious liver problems down the road. Now, the good news is that fatty liver disease is often reversible, and one of the most powerful tools we have to combat it is right in our kitchens: food. You see, what we eat has a direct impact on our liver's health. By making smart choices and incorporating liver-loving foods into our diet, we can help our liver regenerate, reduce inflammation, and improve its overall function. So whether you've been diagnosed with fatty liver disease or simply want to give your liver some extra love, this video is for you. We'll be exploring the top 5 foods that can help support your liver health and give you practical tips on how to easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Let's get started. Our first liver-loving food might surprise you. It's oats. You know, that hearty and versatile grain that makes for a perfect breakfast. Well, beyond their deliciousness, oats are packed with a special type of fiber called beta-glucan, which acts like a superhero for your liver. This beta-glucan swoops in and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those spikes and crashes that can put extra stress on your liver. And as if that wasn't enough, oats also boast anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe and protect your liver from damage. Now, you might be wondering, how can I easily add more oats to my diet? Well, starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal is a great way to go. You can get creative with toppings like fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a satisfying and liver-friendly breakfast. But oats are incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies for a boost of fiber, use them in baking to create healthier treats, or even sprinkle some on top of yogurt or salads for a satisfying crunch. Trust me, your liver will thank you for it. Next up, let's talk about fatty fish, a true powerhouse when it comes to liver health. We're talking about salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, all brimming with those incredible omega-3 fatty acids. Now, omega-3s are like the superheroes of the fat world, fighting inflammation and promoting overall well-being. When it comes to your liver, omega-3s really shine by helping to reduce fat buildup in the liver itself. They also work their magic by improving insulin sensitivity, which is key for regulating blood sugar levels and preventing further liver damage. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. You can grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it as sashimi. Feeling adventurous? Try adding canned salmon to salads or wraps for a quick and easy omega-3 boost. And remember, if you're not a fan of fish, you can still reap the benefits of omega-3s through supplements like fish oil or algae-based omega-3 capsules. Just be sure to chat with your doctor to find the right dosage for you. Let's move on to a beverage that's not only refreshing, but also incredibly beneficial for your liver: green tea. This ancient elixir is chock full of antioxidants, powerful compounds that fight those pesky free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. One particular antioxidant found in green tea, called catechin, deserves a special shout-out for its remarkable liver-protecting properties. Studies suggest that catechins can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, fight inflammation, and even protect against liver damage. Now, the beauty of green tea lies in its simplicity. Just steep a tea bag or loose leaves in hot water for a few minutes, and you're good to go. You can enjoy it plain or add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. For a refreshing twist, try iced green tea or even explore matcha, a more concentrated form of green tea with even more antioxidants. Make green tea a part of your daily routine and feel the difference it can make for your liver health. Now, let's talk about leafy greens, the nutritional powerhouses that should be a staple in everyone's diet, especially for those looking to support their liver health. Think spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula, all bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your liver will absolutely love. These leafy greens are particularly rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and glutathione, which act like bodyguards for your liver, protecting it from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. And that's not all. They're also packed with fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, taking some of the burden off your liver. The best part is that there are countless ways to enjoy leafy greens. You can toss them into salads, saute them with garlic and olive oil, blend them into smoothies, or even add them to soups and stews for a nutritional boost. Get creative and experiment with different flavors and combinations. Your liver will thank you for adding more of these green superheroes to your plate. Last but certainly not least, let's crack open the benefits of walnuts for liver health. These small but mighty nuts are nutritional powerhouses, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, all essential for a happy and healthy liver. Just like the fatty fish we discussed earlier, walnuts are a great source of omega-3s, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which helps reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage. They're also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which fight oxidative stress and protect liver cells from harm. Incorporating walnuts into your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy a handful as a satisfying snack. Sprinkle them on top of salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a crunchy twist. Or even use them in baking to add a healthy and flavorful crunch to your favorite treats. Remember, a little goes a long way, so even a small handful of walnuts a day can make a big difference for your liver health. So there you have it, our top 5 liver-loving foods that can make a real difference in your journey towards optimal liver health. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is like giving your liver a daily dose of TLC, helping it regenerate, reduce inflammation, and function at its best. However, it's crucial to remember that while diet plays a significant role in liver health, it's not a magic bullet. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to create a personalized dietary plan that aligns with your specific needs and health conditions. And lastly, remember that a holistic approach to health is key. Along with a healthy diet, prioritize regular exercise, manage stress levels, and moderate alcohol consumption to support your overall well-being, including your precious liver. Here's to a healthier, happier you.